Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see how to make tutti frutti at home. So for making tutti frutti we need to take this watermelon. We need to remove off the red part and even the green part. So this red part should not be there and even the green part. So now we will remove them. This is how we remove the green part. We have to remove it with a peeler. If you don't get it with a peeler, then you can even use a knife. So you can remove the green part in this way. So guys, this is how it will look when we remove the green part and even the red part. So you have to remove it in this way neatly. So now we have removed the top part and even the red colored part for everything. And now we will cut them into small pieces. So guys, I have cut the pieces. I have cut them into small pieces in this size. You can cut them a little big than you want so that when they boil they become small. Now I have taken a pan guys, and in that I am pouring about 1 liter of water. Now I have poured 1 liter of water, and then I will add the pieces, the chopped pieces slowly. Let them boil till they become transparent. Have been completely cooked up guys. So see, they have become transparent. It took 10 minutes for me. Cook them until they become transparent and then you can remove it off. I am removing them in this way, or you can even use a filter. Just remove it. Even if there is a bit of water, it's okay. And take them into a bowl. Now I have completely removed them guys, and now we will dip them in the sugar syrup. So we will see how to make the sugar syrup. Now for making the sugar syrup we need to measure the amount of watermelon pieces we have. So for that I am taking a glass and I am putting the pieces in it to measure how many glasses I have, so that accordingly I can take the sugar. So I'm having 3 glasses guys, completely I have measured, and I'm having 3 glasses of watermelon pieces. I am taking 3/4 cup of sugar. It is a measurement. If you all have 1 full cup, then you have to take a quarter of that. So you all have to take 1/4 of your measurement. So I am having 3 cups. So I have 3/4 cup sugar, and I am pouring 1 full glass of water. Keep stirring it till the sugar melts. The sugar should melt completely in the water, and put your gas on high flame. The sugar has completely melted up guys, there's no sugar now. Now we can add the pieces. Now I am adding the pieces guys, the boiled pieces. Cook it till the pieces gets to boil guys, and also the amount of sugar syrup has reduced. See, it's boiling. Now we will keep it for more 5 minutes so that the sugar syrup is more reduced. After 5 minutes it's still boiling, and also the sugar syrup has reduced. So now I am offing my stove and let it relax for 5 minutes, and then we can remove it. So that if we let it relax for 5 minutes, so that it will absorb the sugar and also it will become soft. It has cooled up. I am adding 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. So and mix it well. You will have to definitely add some flavoring, otherwise it will not have the taste. Now I have taken them into 3 pieces into 3 different bowls to give them 3 different colors. So I am giving them red, blue and green. So first I will add the blue color. I am putting the blue color first. I'm just adding 1/4 spoon of color, and I have mixed it well guys with the color. Now I am adding orange color to another bowl and mix it well. I have mixed it well now. Now I will add green color in this bowl. Now I am adding green color in this bowl and mix it well. Now I have added the colors into the 3 bowls guys. Now we have to set it aside for 12 hours or overnight. So I am covering it with a plate and keeping it overnight. So I have covered it with a plate like this, and I will set it aside for 12 hours. So guys, it has been 12 hours now, and you all can see that the tutti frutti has absorbed the color and it has become red in color. So now we will transfer it into a plate and you all can dry it for 6 hours under the fan. So I have spread tissue paper over a plate. Now I will put the tutti frutti over this so that the tissue paper will absorb any moisture present in it. Now I have spread it on the tissue paper guys. So I have spread orange, blue and green. You all can put whatever colors you all want, and let it dry for 6 to 7 hours under the fan. If you all put it under the sun, they get folded and they become hard, so never put it under the sunlight. So now we'll let it dry for 6 to 7 hours. So guys, it has been 7 hours now, and you all can see that they are completely dried. See, and they are also soft, they are not hard. So I have taken all of them onto a plate. So now we can transfer it into a airtight bowl. So I have taken a airtight container like this, and then I am transferring all of these into the container in this way. You can mix all the colors. The colors won't get mixed up after a while. So now I have transferred them into a bowl, and I will close the lid. And if you all put it in a container like this, you all can store it for up to 6 months. So I have closed the lid. So thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel.